2008 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. I'm going to show you real quick how you can change this part, which is the caliper. So what you do is you get a 22 millimeter and you take all of your lug nuts, and after that you remove your tire. Obviously you got to jack it up and put like a stand for safety reasons. And in the back you're gonna have two 18 millimeter bolts, which are these guys right here. They're just hold your caliper in place, and then after that you just take your caliper, which it's that right there, it's over here. You remove that, and the only thing that's holding your caliper after that is a 11 millimeter bolt that's hooked up right there. Before you take that off, I suggest you just grab a vice grips and just pinch that, just so your fluid doesn't continue to fall, and plus it will help you too on your bleeding. You don't have to bleed your brake as much. So yeah, so 22 millimeter, 18 millimeter in the back, two of them. Remove that. 11 millimeter on the caliper, pinch it before you remove it, and just reverse everything. Just put that, fill a little bit when you get your new caliper, you fill that a little bit with your brake fluid. Put that the 11 millimeter back. Here's your bleeder valve for you to bleed your brakes, and put everything together. If you are changing your brake pads, change your brake pads. Put your 18 millimeter bolts back, your tire, and then all your 22 millimeter bolt back. All right, guys, if that was helpful, leave it a comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for checking in our video. Hopefully that helps somebody out there. See you guys.